In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-admit participants on Google Meet. By the end of this brief tutorial, you'll be equipped with the know-how to streamline your virtual meetings, efficiently managing participants without any extra hassle. This feature comes in handy, especially when hosting larger meetings, reducing disruptions, and saving time. First, let's head over to the Google Meet website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Google Meet in the search bar or directly entering meet.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will find the Sign In button. If you're already signed into your Google account, this step might automatically bypass. Next, click on Sign In. You will be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use, especially if you have multiple accounts. Choose your preferred account and enter your credentials if asked. With your account now signed in, we're ready to join a meeting. Now, it's time to join your scheduled meeting. If you don't have a meeting link ready, quickly create one and revisit this step. For those with a link, simply navigate to your meeting using that link. Here's a little tip. Keeping this link bookmarked can save you precious seconds, especially during back-to-back sessions or in busy routines. Once inside your meeting, focus on the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find the Host Control options. Click on this section to proceed further with the configuration. This is your main hub for managing the meeting settings and participants. Within the Host Control menu, delve into the various options it provides. Among these settings, you're looking to alter the way participants are managed. At the bottom of this list, right next to the options, is the one we need. Scroll and find the Open option. Clicking on this doesn't require any further inputs from your side. Clicking Open modifies the default settings. This means participants who use authorized accounts can now join your meetings without needing manual admission, simplifying your role as the host. By incorporating these steps into your meeting setup, you ensure a smoother and more efficient video conferencing experience on Google Meet. No more need to constantly monitor participant requests while maintaining an unobstructed dialogue during your meetings. Remember, though, to always check if your organization has any specific protocols or guidelines when using this feature to ensure consistency and maintain meeting security. By mastering these steps, you've leaped towards an advanced feature that certainly enhances your efficiency. Enjoy your streamlined meetings, and see you next time for more helpful tips and tutorials.